there, I'm Kathy with kathysglutenfree.com. Let's make some delicious, nutritious food for everyone to enjoy.
Seed crackers are a great gluten-free, nut-free snack. Let's start with pumpkin seeds, some raw sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds. We'll add herbs, garlic, onion, water, stir it up, and let it sit for 15 minutes. While that's sitting, we'll oil 2 sheets of parchment paper. So just drizzle on some olive oil or avocado oil, and then I find you can just smear them together. Try to get them coated all over. And this keeps the wet mixture from sticking. This is absorb the water as it sat for 15 minutes. The chia seeds do that. Dump it out onto the oiled side of 1 sheet of parchment, and then take the other sheet and put the oiled side next to your batter, and we'll roll this out. Roll it out to a rectangular shape, approximately 10 inches by 13 inches. To fit into your baking pan, you want to get it as even as possible in thickness so that your crackers will cook evenly. Then slip it onto the pan, peel off the top layer of parchment paper, and pop it into a preheated oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, bring it out. We're going to cut it apart into some big chunks to be manageable for flipping over. It's too hard to flip the whole thing at once, and if you cut it up into all your little crackers, that's too much work. So I find if I cut it into about 6 pieces, then I can flip them over easily. And then after I've flipped them, I'll cut them into crackers. So you can make them whatever size and shape you want at this point. I get about 36 crackers out of this. And then we'll pop this back into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes till they're just getting toasty around the edges. Enjoy!